How to fix Viber activation failed. So if you're trying to activate your Viber account, or if you're trying to log into your Viber and if you're not being able to do that, so the first thing you need to check is your internet connection. So if you don't have a stable internet connection, then you won't be able to log into your Viber or activate your Viber. And once you've checked your internet connection, now the second thing you need to do is check your mobile number. So if you're entering the right mobile number or not, check your information. And even after checking the information, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to open up your settings and then scroll down, go for apps and go for see all apps, go for the search icon which is on the upper right and search for Viber and open up Viber. And here you can go for storage and cache and go for clear cache. And once you've done that, now your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, you can also go for clear storage and you can clear your storage. And once you clear your storage, you can go back and then you can open up your Play Store. Go for the search bar and search for Viber. Once you've searched here under Viber, if you have an update option, instead of this open option, then you can simply tap on update and update your Viber application. And once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can simply go for the power button, simply tap and hold on to that power button. And here you will have restart option. So simply tap on restart and your problem will be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can uninstall the application by simply tapping on uninstall. And after uninstalling, you can again install it from the same app store or the Play Store and you can try to log into your account. So that might fix your problem. So that's it. That's how you fix your Viber activation failed. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.